Tired of your videos getting ignored because of ugly auto-generated thumbnails? You know the ones I mean. YouTube picks a random frame from your video and it almost never looks good. It might be blurry or it captures you mid-blink with a weird expression. And that thumbnail is the very first thing people see. It is the deciding factor between a click and a scroll past. So let me show you how to fix that right now. You can upload a custom thumbnail in under 60 seconds. Seriously, it is that fast. All right, here's the plan. I am going to walk you through exactly where to click inside YouTube Studio to add your own image. Just follow along step by step, and you will have a professional-looking thumbnail up in no time. So the first thing you need to do is open up YouTube Studio. This is the command center for your channel. If you're already signed into YouTube, just type studio.youtube.com into your browser bar. Or you can click on your profile icon in the top right corner of regular YouTube and select YouTube Studio from the dropdown. Take me there. Now, make sure you are signed into the correct account. You only want to do this for the channel you actually own. If you manage multiple channels, double-check that name in the top left corner. We do not want to accidentally edit someone else's video. Next, look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a menu with a lot of options, like dashboard, videos, and playlists. The one we need is content. Click on that. This will pull up a list of every single video you have ever uploaded to your channel. It is your library. Now, find the specific video you want to update. Once you have it, hover your mouse over the video thumbnail itself. A couple of icons will appear. One of them is a little pencil icon. That is the Details button. Click on that pencil to open up the editor for that video. This page has all your video settings: title, description, tags, the whole thing. We want to scroll down past the description box. Keep scrolling until you reach a section labeled Thumbnail. It is right there below where you write your video description. And here is where the magic happens. You have got two options. First, YouTube gives you 3 auto-generated thumbnails to choose from. These are literally just still frames from your video. You can click on one of those if you're in a hurry, but I highly recommend the second option. Click the Upload Thumbnail button. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and hit Open. A quick tip from experience: make sure your image is the right size. YouTube recommends a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, and keep it under 2 megabytes. If your file is too big, it might fail to upload. Also, use a JPG or PNG file. Those work best. Once you see your custom image appear in the thumbnail spot, you are almost done. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a blue button that says Save. Click that. This might take a moment to process, but once it is done, your video will have that new eye-catching thumbnail live on your channel. And that is it. Seriously, it is that simple. You go from a random auto-generated frame that kills your click-through rate to a custom image that actually represents your video and gets people curious. That small change can have a huge impact on your views. So go ahead and give it a try on your latest upload. You will see the difference immediately.